So hello everyone, today we are going to discuss a question from JEE Advanced 2022 paper from the paper 1, and it is from the organic chemistry part. And in this question what has been asked is the weight percentage of the hydrogen in the Q formed in the following reaction sequences. So in the reaction what has been given is we have given the chlorobenzene reacting with the NaOH at 623 Kelvin and 300 atm. It will substitute this Cl to give OH here, phenol will be formed. And after that, in the second step, consider H2SO4 and then consider HNO3. So what will happen is there will be the nitration at the ortho and all the ortho and para position. So this would be the Q product, and which has the molar mass as 229. If you calculate it, it will be 229 gram per mole. Now we have given if you see here, we know that the number of hydrogen atoms are 2 and 1, total 3 atoms. So 3 gram is the weight of the hydrogen, and the total weight of the molecule Q is 229 into 100. We will get the percentage composition of hydrogen. So it will be 1.31%. So that's why the answer should be 1.31. So 1.31 should be the correct answer. Thank you so much for listening. Hope you understand the solution. If you have any doubt, any query, you can ask freely in the comment section. Thank you so much.